Here we are at example 3 from our 2.5 set of notes. We're asked to just pretty much determine if each of these show direct variation or not, and if it does, to give that constant of variation. Now, as a result, we need things into y is equal to mx plus b, or y is equal to kx, and hopefully that y-intercept is 0. Right now, we can see that, just looking at A, we have that item in standard form. So let's go ahead and convert that to our slope-intercept form that we're so familiar with. We would first add 2x from both sides, then leaving us with 6y is equal to 2x plus 0. Next, we want y all by himself, so we would divide both sides by 6. So then y is all by himself is equal to, looks like 1/3 x when you simplify that, plus 0 divided by 6 is 0. Now notice, we do end up with a y-intercept, but he is 0. So as a result, you will still go through the origin if you throw 0 in for x here, because 0 times 1/3 is 0, plus 0, well, that's still a y value, 0. So this is still going through the origin, and our k value here is 1/3. Our constant of variation comes out to be that number in front of x, 1/3. So again, you really didn't even have to write this part, and there it is, y is equal to kx. Now for b, just looking at him, if we go ahead and swap these values around, we end up then with just y is equal to x. That actually is the same exact equation as we see right here. Now again, anytime that there's no number in front of a variable like this, in this case x, it's always assumed that there is in fact a 1 in front. And just so you guys can see, y is equal to some k times x. So for this guy, yes, he does, and k is equal to 1. By the way, over here, this would have also been yes for A. Now looking at C, again, we see that it's in standard form. We want it into that y equals mx plus b, or y equals kx type form. So we're going to go ahead and first subtract 2x from both sides, leaving us then with negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 2. Unfortunately, we could not combine these two because they were not like terms. This guy had an x, this guy did not. Next, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 1. Because negative y, we want positive y, so we have to divide both sides by negative 1. Negative divided by negative gives us our positive now, leaving us with just y is equal to, looks like negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2x. Positive 2 divided by negative 1 gives us negative 2, but we notice that we have this y-intercept. And as a result, this will not give us a direct variation. So anytime you see this number on the outside like that, that will not give you a direct variation. So again, though, that is example 3 from our 2.5 set of notes.